the biggest achievements in my career. Always wanted to win a medal. Never really had that opportunity with Kilmarnock, although they did get to the League Cup final, but unfortunately I was out on loan at the time. But absolutely delighted, and I'm sure everybody else is here as well, delighted with the club.
Sort of all the sort of hard work is paid off, and I'm just absolutely delighted, you know, absolutely delighted, especially for the fans as well, because we get great numbers. A third division team, I mean, taking 700-800 fans to Cowdenbeath, you know, that's unheard of. Let's be honest, it's no. Clubs don't have a divine right to be in certain divisions, but I think the supporters deserve a good team to be proud of, you know, and I think we've given them that this year, you know, so I'm absolutely delighted with that and delighted for them, you know.
There's a good infrastructure now at the club. 19s are doing well, 70s are doing well. We've got better links to the local community. You know, the boys' clubs are throwing their players to us now. We've got good relationships, and also even in the community, our responsibility in the community is getting a lot stronger as well now. So to me, I'm very content with the work we've done. Still a long, hard road ahead of us. We've put good building blocks in place, and all we need to do is go and build on it. So good solid foundations. Hopefully, you know, a wee bit of luck again, the right players come in. Why would you settle for 8th when you can go and try and get the best you can be? So that's all we'll be doing. We'll be trying to do as best we can.
It's a smashing story.
You hold on to fix my hair, it's fucking in my eyes.
Is that my eyes?
One for your off.